Hello, this is Steve from Beto's Leatherworks, and today's project is, well, it's a little special project. Can't show you just yet. You have to watch the video. You know, I'm so excited about reaching this 100,000 milestone, and it's really kind of like, you know, putting me on cloud nine, and I really appreciate all you viewers. Because of you guys, you know, of subscribing and watching the channel, that I got to this level, and I really appreciate it. So, I made my own plaque. I'm not going to wait for YouTube to send it to me, which they probably will sooner or later, but I figure I'd make my own plaque. Now, I have some ideas. I don't know how well it's going to work or not, but I figure that once the plaque is made, okay, if we have some sort of a drawing where if somebody wants to donate money to like the, I don't know, like the St. Jude's Children's Hospital, and then they can have the plaque. Something like that. I'm not sure yet. I haven't fully thought about it, but I hope that I get some responses from you guys. Let me know what you guys think and how we could be able to do this. All right, so watch the video. It's a short video, and I'll show you guys what's underneath the cover. All right, let's get started. All right, welcome back. So, I glued my U, and T was coming loose too, so I glued it too. Thanks for reminding me. So, as you guys saw, it's something different that I wanted to do, and maybe I'm on the wrong path. I don't know, but I'd like to see if I can generate some sort of a like an auction, maybe, right? And this goes to the highest bidder. And then that money will be taken and then donated. I don't keep any of that proceeds at all. I don't want that kind of money. You know, I want to help out. I want to be able to help out like you guys have helped me out. I want to help out at the same time to whoever. Okay, so here is my plaque. What you think? Now you guys know that I do a lot of Louis Vuitton bags, right? Also JR soles. So I figured that we'll kind of combine both together. So we got the vachetta leather here, okay? Got an LV little rivet and a little D-ring, like a strap post. We've got 4 different kinds of LV material, okay? Beato's Leatherworks in the middle, hammer time, let's continue. And this is an actual JR sole, okay? And I cut it, and then I had to splice it because it wasn't big enough. Now I had a big sheet of bend that I could cut it out from one piece, but the problem is we weren't going to get a logo in the middle, so I wanted that there. And as you guys can see, there's different color threads. That's what I normally do. I normally stitch the soles on with different color threads. I figured I'd incorporate that with this K here. Now this is going to be in a frame, okay? This is kind of rough finished yet. I'm still not done with it yet. As far as we'll get a nice frame. I'm having a frame made for it, and then we'll put a nice glass in front of it to protect that. And I think that maybe if we go through this bidding, maybe we can do like a short letter of thank you to the winner, and then I'll fold that and I'll put it in the back, just to kind of keepsake back there, and just for memory's sake, just to kind of enclose it in there and keep it, and not to touch it. All right, so I hope you guys are happy. Now, this isn't going to be all of the 100,000 subscriber special thing that we're going to do. I figured that maybe what we can do is, whoever is interested, they can email me on the subject line, say 100,000, or I don't know, we'll come up with something, 100K repair. Should we say that? 100K repair? All right. On the subject area, put 100K repair. And if you have some pictures of what you want to be restored, I'm going to choose 5 winners, and I'm going to restore their items, whether it be a bag or shoes or whatever you guys have. Now, there's going to be limitations to what it can be done, okay? So this is just a rough idea. I still have to look at your item to make sure that it's feasible, that what you're asking. No, I'm not going to do some Crocs to put JR Goodyear blind stitch on it, okay? That was just a dumb thing that I said, and now people are requesting that. That's not going to happen. No, don't get me thinking that, because, you know, if I think about it, I'll maybe want it work, but I don't want to do it. Okay, so that's my idea, okay? So email me, bedos@yahoo.com, bedos@yahoo.com. On the subject line, put 100K repair, okay? And what I'll do is approximately 2 weeks. Today is the 20th of September. So 2 weeks, let's see, 2 weeks will put us maybe, let's say, how about, let's say like first week, let's say October 10th. God, I put a lot of thought into this, didn't I? Oh, okay. So you guys have till October 10th, okay, to send me the email. And once I receive the email, basically I'm going to print them out, and I'm going to just kind of pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll have some, in case those don't work out, we'll have a few more that we've chosen in case the first 5 don't, you know, come to fruition. Okay. All right. Well, again, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's been a emotional roller coaster with this channel. It's kind of neat that it's evolved to what it is now, and I've got so many people who are interested in what I do. It's my daily life. I mean, it's nothing really special to me. Well, I shouldn't say that. Everything is special that I do, but it's still like my normal day, you know, my normal routine work, you know. And I guess it's kind of, you know, some people are interested in watching it. All right, so thank you again. I can't wait to get this started. I'll keep you guys posted as far as when, you know, this is framed and how I want it to be presented, and I'll let you guys know what's going on. All right, thank you again. We'll see you guys on the next project. Take care.